Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Dehumidifier. Number 5.
Delogi Energy Star 2.0 Dehumidifier, 45 Pint, White. Cleaner, healthier home, the first dehumidifiers certified asthma and allergy friendly. Drier air is comfortable air. Experience your ideal comfort by removing the excess humidity from your home. Control at your fingertips. With the touch of your fingertips, the LCD panel lets you control humidity level. See clearly. With the visible water level, you can see exactly how much water has been removed from the air. Save on energy. Energy Star qualified to help you increase energy efficiency and lower utility costs.
Number 4.
Inofia 30 Pints Dehumidifier Midsize Portable. Dehumidification capacity. This dehumidifier can dehumidify 4 gallons in one day, at 30 degrees Celsius 90% RH environment. Great convenience, intelligent control panel, intelligent time control system, hidden and flat handle. Easy to operate. Inofia dehumidifier is easy to use. It has one button to turn on and off. Application side. The dehumidifier is suitable for living rooms, bathrooms, bedrooms. Inofia. Every pack of Inofia Intelligent Dehumidifier has the 60-day money back for your worry-free order.
Number 3. H Home Labs 2,500 square feet Dehumidifier 50 Pint Energy Star Safe Mid-Size 50.6 gallon Large Dehumidifier. If your standard unit of measure is ice cream, our dehumidifier removes up to 50 pints from the air per day. Designed for the modern home, that most dehumidifiers are clunky eyesores is news to nobody. Super easy to use. Dehumidifiers don't need to be complicated, so ours isn't. Adjust to your ideal moisture setting. Eliminates moistness, odor and other things you hate. Moist is a bad word. Important things to know. Dehumidifiers emit heat when in use. That's how they absorb the moisture. Number 2. Frigidaire 30 Pint Dehumidifier with effortless humidity control, wide. 30 pints per day dehumidifier uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. Helps eliminate bacteria in the air that can make breathing difficult. Low temperature operation saves energy and money, 41 degrees. Container capacity, 7.6 pints. Ready select electronic controls with digital humidity readout, 24-hour on, off timer and control lock. Number 1. Frigidaire FAD 301 NWD Energy Star 30 Pint Dehumidifier. Protects your home from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. Helps eliminate bacteria in the air that can make breathing difficult. Manual relative humidity range, 35%, 85%. Continuous operation is possible when unit is located near a suitable drain. Effortless full tank alert system with auto shut off.